natin yung protractor. Okay, so nasa gitna na yan. And then titingin na tayo dito. Okay. So yan. Tingnan tayo dyan, ha? Okay, so ayusin natin yung pag-measure kasi medyo na to. Okay. So, paano ngayon titingin sa protractor? Since nandito pa yung side natin, tapos ito yung side niya, no? Dito natin babasahin. Okay. Simula dito, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so kita po natin, 100 yan. So, 105, 106, 107, 108. So, ilan nga po ito? So, this is 108 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ang measure po ng bawat interior angle niya is 108 degrees. Okay. So, now, since meron na po tayong measure ng each interior angle. Okay. So, measure po ng bawat interior angle ay 108 degrees. So ngayon ang tanong, ano ba yung sum ng interior angles ng isang regular pentagon? Okay, ilan po ba ang sides ng pentagon? So sides ng pentagon ay meron siyang 5. Okay, let's go back here. Dito tayo. Since 5 ang sides ng pentagon, so ang interior angles niya 5 rin. Kaya 5 times 108 degrees. Okay, so ilan kaya? 108 dito times 5, we have 40, very 4. 5 times 0, 0 times plus 4, 4. So we have 5. So, ang sum of the interior angles po niya ay 540 degrees. So, ito po yung sum of the interior angles niya. So, that's all. Guys, nakita po natin kung paano mag-measure ng bawat interior angle, pagkuha ng side or the length of the side using our ruler, and to find the sum of the interior angles of a given regular polygon like this regular pentagon. Okay, so that's all for today, and may God bless us all.